Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I want to show you one of the best applications you can use as the Unlinked replacement or the Unlinked alternative on your FireStick device. What I mean is that if you don't want to use Unlinked any longer, or you are tired of using Unlinked, or in most cases if Unlinked doesn't work for you, then this application can come in as the best replacement for Unlinked on your Fire TV device. So please make sure you watch the video right up to the end, and also if you find it helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. That's it, let's get into it. Now here's my Fire Stick device, and I'm going to be showing you everything on it. But the very first thing we need to do on our Fire Stick device is to make sure the device is able to install applications from unknown sources, since this application is going to be like an unknown source to our Fire TV device. So the first thing is for you to go out to your settings, go to my Fire TV, and on it you are going to figure out if this option is turned on, developer options. Now this is where we need to turn it on. Now if you don't have this option yet, let me show you how to make it appear. It's simple. Go out to the option that says about here, turn it on, and once you come to the option that says Fire TV Stick, please click OK on your remote 5 times or 3 times until you see a pop-up below that says no need, you are already a developer. Once that pop-up shows up, all you have to do is to return, and you're going to get the developer option on here. Now once the option has appeared, what you have to do is go back to it, and the option that says apps from unknown sources, you need to turn this on. Once you turn this on, your Fire TV device will be able to install applications from unknown sources. So please start by turning this on because we really need it on a Fire TV device. So once you've done it, you can return home and let's get things started. Now to install this application, the first thing we need on our Fire TV device is a downloader application. If you already know how to install downloader, you can skip this part, but if you don't know, please follow attentively. Now come over to the find or search button and click downloader, or just type in Z, and in my case you're going to get a suggestion just like this. So once you get this suggestion, please just click OK, and it's going to bring you here, and as you can see, this is the downloader application which you can install from here. So just click on the application once and it's going to bring you to this installation page. Just click OK and the application is going to start downloading to your Fire TV device. Now this is very important, please make sure to follow attentively. So here's the application. We need a download application because we need it to install this particular application that I'm about to show you. So please follow everything as I've shown you so far. Now here's the download application. It will quickly install to your Fire TV device, and then we can launch it and go straight ahead to this application, to install this application on our Fire TV device. Now the application is installed. Now what we have to do is to launch it on a Fire TV device, and this is how downloader looks like once you launch it for the very first time. So just click allow and OK over here, and then you're good to go. Now if you've never used downloader, which I doubt, but if you've never used downloader, what you have to do here is type in a code that is going to lead you to an installation page of an application or to a website on your Fire TV device. So this is how to use downloader. You just go back to this box over here and type in a short code of 4 digit, 5 digit, 6 digit, or even 7 digits, and it's going to go with you to wherever you want the code to go. So in this case, for instance, I'm going to type in this code that I will use to install the application. The code is a simple code. It is simply 368730. That's the code. Once you type in, you go ahead and launch on your Fire TV device, and this is going to go straight away to installing this application. Now the application in question here is called the AppLinked application, and this is how to install it to your Fire TV device. So just type in this code and then you go ahead and wait. The application is going to quickly download and then we install to our Fire TV device. I'll show you everything as I've shown you so far. So when the application is downloaded, please just go ahead and install to your Fire TV device, and this is how it installs to your device. It's as simple as this. So now the application is installed, click done, and then you delete the app file from here. Now you are good to go. Just return home. So here's the application. It is called AppLinked, and this is how it looks like on your Fire TV device. So after installing it, all you have to do is to go ahead and launch it. Once you launch the application, this is how it should look like, version 2.0.5, and this is how you see it. Okay, there's an update available. Please click download to install now. Or okay, so you need to update or you need to download an alternative here, or an update to the application here, because the one we just installed is version 2.0.5. So just click on download, and then you can download the update and just install it straight away. It's as simple as that to your Fire TV device. So here is it. We've installed an update. Just come back to it and we launch on our Fire TV device once again. So this is the updated version 2.0.7, and this is what is new in this version. So you can take out your time and read through. But once you install the application, this is how it looks like. Now how do you use it? There are different ways to use it. You can add a store of your own, just like in Unlinked. You can add a library. You can look for a safe store. These ones that you've added already. You can look for public stores. These are stores that are on the app that are public that you can check out. And then this is the app that this way you can look for downloader codes if you're looking for any. But now I want to say this is one of the best applications compared to Unlinked, because this one has its own codes or its own apps. Even if you don't know a code in mind to type. Let's say for instance, I came over to this application without a code in mind, like in Unlinked, you need a code. And I just want to go over to applications. If I want to check out applications, I can just go over straight here. Like for instance, if I want in games, I can come to this option of games and just open it. And I'm going to use some various games that I can install to my Fire TV device. As you can see, these are games that I can install. Say for any other categories, like these categories, I don't want to open any of the categories here. But if you go over to it on your Fire TV device, you can take out your time and launch. So if you go over here to utilities, for instance, you are going to see applications here they can install to your Fire TV device as utility applications. So as you can see, these are applications that you can install to your Fire TV device, and you don't have to type in a code before you install any of these applications. You just have to go over here and you can install them just by opening the application or installing the application to your Fire TV device. So they are live streaming, these sports and so on that you can check out. Now, you can also look at public stores. These are stores that are public on the application. Unlike on LinkedIn, you need to bring in your own code. Here, you just have to go over here. You can look for public stores and use them. And as you can see, they are updated from new to old. So I can go over here and just look at some stores. I can go through the store. For instance, if I go over to this, store, for instance, let me just take an example. If I go over to this, I think this is an application. I click on it, I can straightly download the application to your Fire TV device. I don't want to install any of this. Please, before you're using this, make sure you're using a VPN so that you don't face challenges on the internet. Now, how do you add a store? It is simple as this. To add a store, just go over to this option and then type in the store code that you want to add on this. For instance, if you want to add this store, I'll just go over here and I type in the store code, which is just like an Unlinked. Type in the store code here, though this one is just made up of numbers. In Unlinked, the code can be made up of letters, but here it's just made up of numbers. So the code is 88099. So as I type in that, I just click next and it's going to launch. Oh my god. So 88099, I can click here and just click next and it's going to launch a store. So I just click add over here and the store is going to add. Now I go over to save stores and I'm going to see it over here. And all I have to do is just click open. I choose the store in mind. I click open and that store is going to open on the application, and this is what is already in the store. As you can see here, sorry, I cannot show you all the applications here, but I have to blur this. Alright, so this is how to type in the store and launch on the AppLinked application. So as I said, for me, this is the best replacement for the Unlinked application on Fire TV device. If you are looking for a replacement for Unlinked or an alternative for Unlinked, this application is your best option. So that's it about this video. If you find it helpful, like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this.